What is the Forest app?
Forest is a unique productivity app that helps you stay focused by growing virtual trees. Every time you want to concentrate, you plant a tree in the app. If you leave the app before your set focus time completes, your tree withers. This simple concept turns focus into a game, motivating you to stay away from distractions like social media or endless scrolling.
How planting trees encourages focus.
When you start a session in Forest, a timer counts down as your tree grows. The catch? If you use your phone for anything else, the tree dies. This playful approach taps into your desire not to ruin your virtual forest, helping you break the habit of checking your phone and encouraging longer, more productive work or study periods.
Building your virtual forest.
Each successful focus session adds a new tree or bush to your virtual forest. Over time, your forest grows, visually representing your dedication and progress. You can look back and see days or weeks of focus, which can be incredibly motivating. Forest also allows you to set daily goals, track your statistics, and spot patterns in your productivity.
Motivation through rewards and challenges.
Forest uses coins as in-game rewards for each successful session. These coins unlock new kinds of virtual trees and features, making the experience feel like a game. You can also compete in challenges with friends, work together to grow shared forests, and stay motivated as you watch your forest thrive both individually and as part of a community.
Making a real-world impact.
Beyond the virtual world, Forest partners with organizations to plant real trees using coins donated by users. This means your focus efforts can also contribute to environmental causes. By staying off your phone and nurturing your virtual forest, you help support tree planting projects around the globe, making your productivity more meaningful.